Next is the green cable. So it's a little bit different because it's one pin out of the Arduino that enables both these. We don't need individual control of like them being on or off. We just need one signal that turns them both on. So first thing we're gonna do is jumper these two, okay? So I'm gonna go from enable minus here to enable minus here, okay? And that's about right for the length. I'll verify that once I get it plugged in. But I'm just gonna do the doubling over on one side here. And the other side of this cable, I'm just going to expose here. Well, I guess I'll still twist it. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to open up enable minus. Push it in there. There we go. Okay. And then, yeah, that's a good length. Cool. So now I'm going to take my cable and route it from where it's coming from the Arduino here, underneath this, and then curling into there from here. Okay. So I'm going to strip this about the same amount as I stripped that one. And then twist them together. There we go, something like that. Cool. Okay. And then I'm going to fold it in half. So now there's lots of cable for it to grab. Okay, so that's enable minus on the X driver now. Try to get that out of the way. There we go, all the way in. I can only see sleeve, no wire. Tug test, we're good there. Okay, so now we're going to give it that little bit of curl coming along the frame here, coming along this, and step or enable is 8 on our map. So, and that's about right here, kind of on the right side. So just a little bit of a curl there, and then tiny bit exposed. Okay. Just a little bit of wire there. And then find D8. There's D8. Okay. And then screw it in. And then give it a pull test. No wires. There we go. That's a green. Thanks for watching.